Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you run out of wishing stars in Heartopia, but you still have a lot of the gold coins. So you can go to collection and you can spend it on outfits that don't require wishing stars. And if you get enough points, you'll get, as you can see, 20 wishing stars per like one of these levels. They do skip like a few to give you the wishing stars. You can also complete a set, but most of the sets are like paid ones if you want to get like rewards from it. As you can see, well, the Mandarin set is free, Explorer set is also free, but then you'll get wishing stars from it. The Zanny Cat set does require wishing stars, but I think you can get it back. So if you go to details, oh okay, maybe not. Maybe only some of them gives like wishing stars. Just go to the details and see which one gives like wishing stars. So the Mandarin set gives you wishing stars. I think the paid one gives you wishing stars, but the rest gives you coins. Um Also the same as special furniture. Like this one, for instance, you can use pom-poms to purchase and you'll get like 60 wishing stars. And then this set as well, you can purchase using gold coins. You'll get wishing stars as well. You can also go, I think because I finished it, it's not here anymore. But there was like an area where you can do some tasks. You can get wishing stars as well. What else? Where well, you can also like get wishing stars by purchasing it here using the moonlight crystals. But yeah, those are ways you can get wishing stars in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.